Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install MetaMask application on your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS. MetaMask is a popular crypto wallet that allows you to securely manage your Ethereum and other blockchain assets. In order to install MetaMask on your mobile device, open up your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store depending upon your device's operating system. Go to the search bar at the top once you open it up and type in MetaMask. Look for the MetaMask crypto wallet application from MetaMask and tap on the Get or the Install button to download the app on your device. On iOS, you'll need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. After downloading the app, tap on Open, and there you have it. You will successfully be able to download and install MetaMask on your Android or iOS. Securely log into your account or sign up for a new account, and you can set up your wallet securely. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.